We started our journey from Hobart, and today we are planning to visit some natural wonders near Eaglehawk Neck area. We drove down to Eaglehawk Neck and now we have stopped at the blowhole. That's over there and we can see the Patersons Bay from that side. We just came to a lower viewing platform. We can have a closer look at the blowhole from here. Do you know how the blowholes form? In geology, a blowhole is formed as sea caves grow landwards. Millions of years of water and wind erosion have led to these unique geological formations. Let's wait for a few more water sprays before we heading to the next attraction. This is just another view of the blowhole. We just came to another viewing platform. Now we are walking to the Fossil Bay lookout. It is only a short walk from the blowhole. It was only about 90 minutes drive from Hobart to Eaglehawk Neck. You can do a day trip easily from Hobart. But if you are planning to visit Port Arthur within the same trip, it's better to make it a 2-day trip. That's interesting. There are 3 people diving down there. I wonder how they dive in this freezing cold water. Actually, we tried to wave at them, but they didn't see us. we can go to the Tasman Arch and the Devil's Kitchen. If we go this way, that's blowhole and the fossil rain pond. The special thing about this house is every house has a name and that start or end with do. So let's go and see how do works. We can even find Dr.Doolittle here and Winnie the Pooh. Now we are at the Tasman Arch. From here we can go to several places such as Devil's Kitchen, Patersons Arch and Waterfall Bay. We can take several short walks from here. One thing to keep in mind, these walking tracks pass near the edge of sheer sea cliffs, so make sure you ensure your safety. Tasmans Arch is a tall natural bridge in the sea cliffs. As per the information board near the lookout, Tasmans Arch is what's left of the roof of a large sea cave or a tunnel that's created by wave action over many thousands of years. Now we are walking towards the Devil's Kitchen. It's only a short walk away from the Tasmans Arch. Now we are at the Devil's Kitchen. This geological feature probably started as a sea cave, then a tunnel, and developed into its modern form after the collapse of the cave roof. I just found an interesting explanation for these geological formations in the information board near the Tasmans Arch. According to that, the blowhole is a younger looking cousin of Tasman's Arch, while Devil's Kitchen is an older uncle. All these three started as caves or tunnels. Tasman's Arch has a higher roof and a narrower and thinner arch than blowhole. The roof of the Devil's Kitchen has collapsed. At the moment, we are walking towards the Waterfall Bay. On the way, we should see Patersons Arch as well. I can see some black marks on these tree trunks. Maybe this forest has caught up with a bushfire recent past. Now we have come to the end of the walking track that we took near the Tasmans Arch. This is called Waterfall Bay. The reason for that is a waterfall drops into the sea over cliffs directly. The other interesting thing is this waterfall doesn't have a name. Now we are going to the Tessellated Pavements. It's only a few minutes drive away from Tasmans Arch or blowhole. This will be our last stop for the day.
Now we are at Tessellated Pavement. This is like a tile surface, but it's totally natural. Getting late and we are going to wind up for today.
After a day full of traveling, we just started our journey back to Hobart. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.